Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm going to make a bean paste steam snapper, which is a very common way of cooking, steaming a fish in Malaysia, I think also in Singapore. So it's called酱蒸fish. You can use any kind of fish that you like. In KL mostly they will use the tilapia. Today I'm using snapper, and this is a 500-gram snapper. For a small family like Appa, 3 adults, me, my wife, my mother-in-law, and also my 4-year-old. Well, we only need a small fish. So I always like to buy a fish which is somewhere between 500 to 600 grams. Just nice for us. Okay, so the thing about steaming fish is that always make sure you remove the kidney thoroughly. So where is the kidney? It is the middle part of the fish here. Wash away the blood. You can use a toothbrush to help you, but that will be the source of fishiness. Wash that off. It will help to remove the fishiness of the fish a lot. And then of course after you steam the fish, you don't want the fishy water that is coming out. That will also be the source of the fishiness. So of course before steaming, I will put a few pieces of ginger on top and also in the cavity. And also we can actually marinate the fish with a little bit of salt. Let's put the fish into the steamer first, then only we continue to talk about the rest of the ingredient, okay? So of course you use your own steamer. Okay, nice. Let's put this into my steamer. Alright, so you put inside your steamer. And you steam it for approximately 10 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes for a small fish like this, okay? Let me see, I'm going to put steam. Oops, sometimes it's not very sensitive. Okay, then we can go and make the bean paste sauce. So the bean paste sauce is not difficult at all. I'm putting in about 4 to 5 stalks of big chili here, okay? I try to not to use my hand to touch the ingredient. A lot of people scolding Appa. Okay, then a few cloves of garlic, 2 shallot, 1 small piece of ginger here, and also this is a very important ingredient to make the sauce. These two, this is at least about 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of taucu. This is the salted ones. Taucu, a fermented soya bean. And this is 1 tablespoon of pork lard. These two optional. 1 teaspoon of belacan paste. Belacan paste. This is optional, like I said. So if you don't have, forget about it. And this is about 1 tablespoon of assam puree. Tamarind puree. Also, these two, like I said, is optional. You don't have to wait it if you don't want to. And have some. This is the fresh coriander for garnishing. And of course, we will need some sugar. So you get ready your grinder or blender, cut the chili into smaller pieces. Now the thing about chili is that you have to be familiar with your chili. Some chilies are very spicy even though it is quite large, okay? So for those who are more spicy, you may want to deseed them, This one Appa using is not spicy. Of course, if you want more spicy, add more chili padi. So you can control the spiciness. The shallots, the ginger, the garlic. And I'm going to add in a little bit of water. Just to ease the blending process, Just a little bit, not too much. After we close it, then only I'm going to on the Oh, it's already on. a little bit dry. I'm going to add more water here. All the ingredient I use, I'll put inside the video ingredient, yeah? The video in description. So that you know how much of ingredient I use and also where to buy them. Right. Okay, off the power. Something like this. Okay, so prepare a pan or wok. Let me give it some 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil to start with. And whenever you are cooking chili, actually you can add in the chili paste when the oil is still cool. It is okay to do that. And you don't want to use too high heat, yeah? Use medium or medium high. You want to saute the chili paste for a couple of minutes to really bring out the nice fragrance. Yeah? Then we have the tomato sauce. Taucu, fermented soya bean. The belacan. And the assam puree. And this is the pork lard. Saute this for a couple of minutes. And then of course you want to season this. We'll come back shortly. Keep on stirring like this using a medium heat. This is after sauteing for approximately a minute or two. We can actually give it some seasoning right now. I'm going to give it a little bit of salt. Not too much because the taucu is already salted. Some taucu is actually sweetened, so you need to know what kind of taucu you are using in order for you to adjust the sweetness and also the sugar and salt level. Okay, I'm going to put in about 1 tablespoon of white sugar here. We can adjust the sweetness of this, yeah, shortly. And you can put a bit more oil here, it's okay. Actually for this particular thing, it's okay to have a bit watery. So let me add in some water. It's okay to be watery. I can hear my fish is ready. So let it rest, let my fish rest for a minute or so while I'm preparing this. This is actually almost ready. You only need to saute this for a couple of minutes. And of course adjust the sweetness and also the saltiness of this particular dish to the level you want, yeah? Let me try to taste it. I don't mind giving a bit more sugar. Okay, once everything is melted, then it's done. Alright, so I have moved the fish over from the steaming pot here to the serving plate, and you will notice there's a lot of steamed fish water here. We don't want this. This is also the source of fishiness. Yeah. And then next thing is our sauce. Right. Get the beautiful, appetizing reddish color. And we have the fresh coriander on top. There you go. Very simple but very yummy酱蒸snapper. Yeah, fermented bean paste steam snapper. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Enjoy your dinner with your family. Bye bye.